You're an Amazon seller wanting to use influencer content to increase sales? Then keep watching, because I'm about to give you 4 powerful hacks for creating and distributing micro-influencer content. Hack number 1, create a short, easy to remember URL. You'll want to buy a short, catchy domain name that forwards traffic directly to your Amazon listing page. This way, every time an influencer mentions your product, they can easily share this short URL, making it a breeze for their followers to find and purchase your product on Amazon. Hack number 2, give influencers complete creative freedom. Whether positive or negative, let them say whatever they want to say. Give influencers complete creative freedom to create videos showcasing your product in their own unique style. Whether it's funny, cringe and awkward, a goofy skit that people can obviously tell is scripted, or they even take a negative stance where they bash your product, let them do their thing. The key is to let their true, authentic personality shine through. You have a much higher chance of going viral if you let them act without handcuffs. Have them post these videos on their TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube accounts. Short form content like videos that are less than 60 seconds and are vertical orientation are going to do a lot better than longer form content. Remember, the more videos you have out there, the higher your chances are of one of them going viral and attracting a ton of attention for your brand and your product. Hack 3, create compilation videos. Once you've got at least 5 videos from different creators, it's time to take things to the next level. Take a sentence or two from each video and stitch them together into an epic compilation video. Make multiple versions of this video to split test so you can see which one performs better. Each video can start with a different hook or opening line so you can see which one stops the scroll and grabs attention best. This way, potential customers can see multiple people talking about your product, adding social proof and more credibility. Even if those videos didn't hit and get a ton of views, people won't know that when they watch the compilation video, and they will assume that they did get a ton of views. Hack number 4, run them as ads. Now, in the event that you don't hit and win the lottery and have a video go viral, then you can still run them as ads, ideally on TikTok, that's where I'm seeing them perform the best, and force thousands of views. Take the individual videos and your compilation masterpieces and run them as ads on Amazon, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. This will help you reach an even wider audience and drive more traffic to your Amazon listing. Alright, so there are the 4 incredible ways to use influencer marketing to boost your Amazon sales. Now again, a massive key step to this is to create that easy to remember URL that will drive traffic directly to your Amazon listing. So do not skip that step. Lastly, if you need help getting top tier product photo and video content created for your Amazon listings and website, then book a free Zoom call with me by going to emaamz.com. On the call, I'll give you a free Amazon listing audit with ways to increase your conversion rate, and you'll get our free Amazon listing checklist, our roadmap to ranking higher organically, and our product launch guide. Again, emaamz.com is where you can go to book that Zoom call, review our photo and video portfolio, and check out all of our services and pricing. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.